Hi viewers, today I am going to upload this body drawing in English. So if you want to continue me to upload videos in English, please give a comment. Otherwise I will upload in my native language Telugu. Okay, please watch and comment. Namaste, welcome to Krishna Arts and Crafts. నన్ను చాలామంది ఇంగ్లీష్లో వీడియోస్ చేయండి లేదా ఇంగ్లీష్ సబ్ టైటిల్స్ అయినా ఇవ్వండి అని అడుగుతూ ఉన్నారు. ఎందుకంటే తెలుగు వాళ్ళకంటే వేరే లాంగ్వేజ్ వాళ్ళే ఎక్కువగా చూస్తున్నారు నా కచ్ వర్క్ వీడియోస్ అనేవి. సో నేను కొంచెం ఎక్కువగా ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడేదానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు స్పీక్ మోర్ ఇంగ్లీష్. టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో యూ ఏ border design. For that I am folding half to paper and I am drawing 7 blocks or 7 squares. Then towards 2 blocks back I am drawing again 7. To this 2 blocks back I am drawing again 7. Again 2 blocks back I am drawing 7. Again 2 back. We can continue this border, but I am showing you this much. I am drawing 2 blocks down of this and 3 blocks above this. And 1 block above this. The same 3 blocks down and again 1 block. Same here. Here also 3 blocks. And 1 block. So this is my border design. Now I will show you the direction, how we can go while stitching. We can start here and we can go like this. Few people are asking me how many boxes we will go at a time. We can go any number of boxes according to our design. There is no specific rule to go like this. I am stopping here this design because we can continue this by attaching this block to this and we can continue it as a border design. Again from here I am coming back. This is one part of our drawing. Next we can continue like this as a second tanga. So for border design I am going to match this line to here. These two lines can be matched here. Match this portion to this and continue as a border.